After Diesel was at the diesel works, Wendy arrived, and then Nixie arrived.
Aha! Those are the dimwits. I'm gonna try and destroy them.
Let's get out of here! They cried. The chase is on! Cried all the engines, and they sped off.
Now I'm the biggest moron you've seen,
She said. No, you're not, because you're derogatory, said the passenger, and then one of the passengers uncoupled the train cars, and then they crashed!
Prepare to derail!
She bellowed. And then the last car was uncoupled and it rolled into the siding, bizarre. And then it was too late!
I'm here to tailgate you, Gnarly Nixie said. 'Cause those puffballs are chasing me.
Wendy sped over the crossing with her passenger car. You can't catch this, said the 6 engines. They rocketed over.
Pretty fast for a smokehead, she said.
And let's get out of here, said Shelly. I've got to, said Dwee. And they raced out of the line just in time. And then the nuclear alarm set off because there was a freight train pulling nuclear waste.
Watch out! Cried.
But it was too late! When the engines saw what had happened, they were shocked. Luckily, no one was hurt, but the train cars were derailed and scattered everywhere. Sasha was tipped over on her side. Sorry about this, she said. And Nixie was smashed and destroyed beyond repair. We'll never see her again, said Dwee. She's gone forever. But the baggage car second stayed on the tracks. Our dweeble is ruined, said Sherry. Late that night, Wendy stayed with the other engines at Notham's sheds. That was a horrible crash, said Ida. It was, said Dwee. It didn't smell like stinky underwear. It did not, retorted Sasha. I don't think that was meant to happen, Lauren said. And then the sun began to set and the stars twinkled in the night sky while the engines were asleep. The engine. I hope everything's alright tomorrow, said Dwee. And then the stars twinkled, and then storm clouds rolled in. Then rain fell heavily, and thunder roared and bellowed in the night. Listen to the storm, puffed Dwee. Doesn't it sound like people drumming? It does, said Wendy. A woman train would be nice like that. The storm raged all night long, while the engines were asleep.